Welcome to WP Services, where we empower you with essential knowledge to keep your WordPress website in top shape. Whether you're new to web development or seeking to elevate your skills, understanding the power of custom development is your key to standing out. Let's embark on a journey to discover how you can create unique digital experiences that leave a lasting impact. Step 1. Recognize the template trap. Are you grappling with template limitations that hinder your creativity? You're not alone. 63% of website owners face this struggle. Step 2. Embrace the custom solution. Imagine crafting a website that perfectly mirrors your vision, not conforming to a template's constraints. Step 3. Tailor the user experience. Did you know 88% of online consumers are less likely to return to a website after a bad experience? Custom development allows you to ensure an exceptional journey. Step 4. Enjoy improved performance. A custom-built site can be 2.5 times faster than template-based sites, contributing to better user engagement. Pro tips. Collaborate closely with your developer to articulate your vision. Prioritize responsive design for seamless mobile experiences. Invest in thorough testing to ensure optimal functionality. Now you understand the realm of custom WordPress development, paving the way for unparalleled creativity and performance. Curious to explore further? See resources below to fuel your learning journey. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks about WordPress.